Hanap mo ba ay one-stop shop para sa reliable Suzuki services and parts? No need to worry dahil opisyal ang binuksan ng LausGroup of Companies o LGC ang upgraded facility ng Suzuki Auto Clark ngayong Martes, April 23. Ito ay ikatlong Suzuki dealership ng LGC bukod sa San Fernando at Ilocos branch. Meron ding Suzuki Service Center sa Bulacan. Ayon kay LGC Chairman and CEO Lisette Laus Velasco, bukod sa latest units na pwedeng i-test drive, pwede rin ma-experience dito ang pinagmamalaking Dynamic 3S o Sales, Service at Spare Parts Management ng Suzuki.
Parang it only cements and shows our confidence in the brand and as far as the management of Suzuki is concerned. So kaya importante sa amin kasi gusto namin talagang ma-service at saka mapalaganap yung Suzuki sa mga areas ng Pampanga na hindi pa namin kino-cover. Kung dati, nagbebenta lang kami ng sasakyan dito sa maliit na showroom namin dito sa may Clark, 'di ba? Sa may Laos Auto Services Inc. Ngayon, meron na po kaming service department at may parts department na. So full-fledged dealership na siya.
Pinuri naman ng Suzuki Philippines ang LausGroup of Companies dahil sa matagumpay na expansion ng dealership. Kinakatawan din daw ng LGC ang atikain ng Suzuki bilang isang kumpanya.
At Suzuki Auto Clark, our showroom offered 3 Suzuki vehicle display with 5 service bay equipped with the latest technology and manned by expert technicians who deliver fast and dependable maintenance and repairs. Our aim to make sure every customer's experience, whether they are checking our showroom or getting their vehicle services, is smooth and enjoyable.
Ayon sa Direktor at General Manager for Automobile Division ng Suzuki Philippines sa Norihide Takei, isang magandang hakbang ang ginawang pag-upgrade ng Suzuki Auto Clark kasabay ng paglagaw ng negosyo sa loob ng economic zone.
Clark Free Sport Zone is strategically located, offering easy accessibility to customers from nearby provinces and regions. The area's vibrant economic environment and infrastructure support were key considerations, aligning with our vision for growth and expansion. Thanks to family cars and LausGroup for bringing the brand here.
Tiniyak naman ni Laus Velasco ang world-class customer service na maaaring masahan sa sino mang papasyal sa Suzuki Auto Clark.
If you are here in Pampanga, in this area of Angeles City, Mabalacat, this area, please do visit us here at Laos Auto Services Inc. in MA Rojas in Clark. So we hope to see you here to be able to service your needs for your vehicles and offer you the cars that we have. So yeah, salamat. Sana makita namin kayo dito.
JM De Jesus, CLTV36 News.